I just took a single hour-long video and turned it into a stack of high-performing, scroll-stopping clips that don't look like AI made them. Usually, repurposing a long live stream into social-ready content feels like an endless chore of scrubbing, chopping, captioning, and resizing. But this time, I just dropped my raw footage into Vizard and let the AI find the gold for me in seconds. Suddenly, I had multiple short, punchy clips that felt authentic, relatable, and perfectly formatted for TikTok Reels and Shorts. Creators are leaning on these tools because everyone wants to post more and test more angles without hiring a full-time video editor. But here is the truth. Most people are just using surface-level features, letting the AI spit out generic, soulless clips that just don't perform. Those generic clips are fine, but they won't help you stand out or speed up your content testing the way you actually need. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 methods that make long to short editing work like a genuine growth engine for your brand. We will focus on keeping your content human, improving your conversion rates, and testing new creative angles faster than everyone else. The best part is that Vizard solves the specific problems other tools leave you to fight with, and I'll walk you through the exact workflow. Method 1 is about letting the AI find your signature moments and stitching them together to build a consistent creator persona. Most editors just cut on loud noises, but Vizard looks for patterns that define your personality, like recurring words, emotional peaks, and audience laughter. When you upload your video, you tell it the vibe you want, like casual advice or funny rants, and it builds a consistent voice for your clips. For example, I had a podcast where the host kept dropping sarcastic takes, and Vizard pulled 5 moments that flowed perfectly like a mini sketch. It even keeps the natural breathing and timing and suggests variations so you can A/B test which hook works best for your audience. This matters because while other tools give you random highlights, Vizard builds a cohesive persona that makes viewers recognize you. Recognition drives higher click-through rates and saves you from the generic random feeling that kills viewer retention. Method 2 uses automated style templates and subtle edits to mimic that polished, high-end creator look. A huge reason AI clips look fake is because they either sound robotic or they over-edit in a way that feels totally unnatural. Vizard provides style-aware templates that adapt your cuts, captions, and animations to the specific tone you are going for. Whether you want a fast-cut Gen Z vibe with quick caption pops or a calm explainer with soft zooms, the platform handles the pacing. But here is the real pro tip. Always tweak the micro-timing after the AI generates the clip to add that human touch. Nudge the start or end by a fraction of a second. Change a caption line to match the speaker's phrasing, or adjust the music fade. Those tiny edits transform the content from an obvious AI template to something that feels like a human put real love into the final cut. Method 3 is about scaling your tests with auto-scheduling and a content calendar so you can run real experiments. Generating clips is only half the battle, because if you want real sustainable growth, you need to publish consistently over time. Instead of manually uploading every single clip, you just set your frequency, choose your platforms, and let Vizard handle the distribution. You can even schedule different versions of the same clip to go live at different times to see what actually works. This lets you run experiments like comparing a straight talk version versus one with captions, all without the friction of manual work. It removes the headache of scheduling and lets you focus entirely on your creative iteration. I recently tested 3 different hooks in 1 week and found my winner within 48 hours because the system reported back exactly what mattered. To tie it all together, follow this simple 6-step workflow starting with uploading your long video. Next, choose your target vibe and let the tool generate candidate clips. picking the best 6 or 8 from the batch. Then apply your style template, do those quick micro edits for timing, and make sure your captions match the speaker's energy. Create variants like a full-length hook or a text-first version to test different formats for your social channels. Finally, use the auto schedule feature to queue up your posts and check your analytics to see which clip is winning. The reason I prefer Vizard over other tools is that it doesn't try to create fake synthetic videos, but focuses on the power of your real footage. While other AI tools might create synthetic actors, Vizard helps you extract virality from the content you have already worked hard to create. It bridges the gap between traditional manual editing suites and basic auto clippers that don't offer persona-aware selection. Think about a creator doing 90-minute interviews who went from posting twice a month to daily clips using this exact method. In just 2 weeks, she doubled her new followers because each clip felt like part of a consistent, personality-driven stream. Or consider a small brand that repurposed product demos into educational shorts and saw a massive lift in traffic without hiring an editor. If you are serious about scaling, the trick isn't just using AI. It is using the right AI in the right way. Let the platform find the moments that belong together, apply those subtle human tweaks, and remove the scheduling friction. That is exactly how you build a content engine, instead of just having a folder full of random, disconnected clips. To try this workflow, just upload one long video, pick your vibe, and schedule a full week of posts right now. You will be surprised how much mileage 1 hour of content can get when you treat it like fuel instead of a one-off project. I have linked some example templates in the description below so you can copy my exact settings for your first project. Just remember the process. Extract, humanize, and scale, and I will see you in the next one.